It's early, but I'm here. What's up, guys? It's Noah. This is day one of my vlog series. I decided to wake up early and get to work. My buddy Justin is coming over in just a little bit, and we're going to be working in the garage. I'm trying to keep my voice down because my wife is sleeping in the room next door. I'm excited for 2019. It's still 2018 technically. Can you hear the water cooler? It just went on. Justin and I are building some cabinets in the garage and some shelves. So we're going to talk about some garage organization. And then secondly, I'm also working on my last Hawaiian family vacation video, and that will be edited today. My New Year's resolution, I've actually started on it, I wanted to get ahead, is to produce a video a day when I'm not on set. I work in Hollywood on TV shows, on feature films, and so what I decided to do is anytime I'm not on set in Hollywood, I'm going to be doing 3 things a day. The first one's exercise, which, as you can tell, I'm not in the best of shape right now. The second thing is releasing a video. So every day I'm going to be working, editing something like this, and I'll be releasing that every day. And then the third thing is simply something checked off my to-do list. So I have a running active to-do list that I use to try to keep busy, and that thing is helping Justin. So that's my check for today. But first things first, Justin's running a little late. As per usual, he was supposed to be here at 6 o'clock. It's already 6:45. I'm going to do some editing while I have some time, and I'm just hanging out.
Alright, here we are at the Deeps. They put some sort of like oxygen or something in the air because you never think right in Home Depot. I think it's so you can buy 1,000 things. So we're buying lumber. We're going to go build some cabinets. Yay! See you later.
Whew, I don't know what you're doing to me, Home Depot, or whatever you put in here is making me sleepy. Good night. How long does it take to get used to like filming yourself? Like, I still feel like that's the weirdest thing, and I feel like people are watching me, but nobody really cares. I guess.
Especially here in LA, like no one gives a crap.
Yeah, I just feel like I'm doing the wrong thing, or like someone's gonna come out and be like, dude, why are you doing that? Stop. That's how I feel all the time I film myself. I'm like, yeah, but I don't even do that much. Maybe that's why. Maybe I'm just like not used to it yet. I don't know. And the Coke addiction lives on, huh?
Yes, the Coke addiction lives on.
Is this setup awesome or what, my love? Yeah. Hi. I just wanted to show you the garage. Let's head over. What's up, Mr. Carpenter?
Oh, nothing much. Building shelves and stuff like that.
Stuff like that. Give me a hand?
Yes.
Or should I just stand here and watch you?
It would be nice if you could give me a hand.
Set the camera down and get back to work. Alright, I guess I gotta stop playing around here. We'll see you next time lapse. So while Justin was working on the frames, I went ahead and replaced the wheels on my spare wood cart. Instead of having 2 wheels that swivel, now I have all 4, which will make it a lot more mobile and easy. Here's a time lapse of me creating bigger holes in the plates because I'm using bigger bolts than the holes allow, and replacing the holes and the bolts using T-nuts. Lunch break, gotta get the grub on.
Get the grub on!
Well, a day in the garage ain't a day in the garage if you don't have a little boo-boo somewhere. And here's me reorganizing the wood. Definitely needed some more organization there. And a quick shot cutting down some plywood. Well, there you are, good looking. Let me show you something cool. What do you call that move?
That's front.
There you have it, guys. It's not something crazy. It's just a couple pieces of ply around some frames, but it's going to be good enough for Justin to put specific boxes that he wants to put on different shelves. And so he'll make some runners that will essentially be the actual shelves. So yeah, he just has that one last step to go. Nothing too complicated, a pretty simple build. I'm sorry I can't show you what the final product looks like yet, but when Justin sends me a photo of it built out and everything organized, which is what he's doing today, I will post that for you guys to see as well. It's just really cool to have a friend like Justin. I know today I got to help him out, but most of the time he's actually helping me out, whether it's in the garage working on projects or organizing camera gear, working on that kind of stuff. Justin and Rav have been two of my best friends who've been willing and able to help me on many projects, and I'm really grateful to have friends like Justin and have friends like Rav who can just come out and just say yes to whatever stupid project I have going on, and they know that I'm more than willing to help either of them out in projects that they're working on. So today I helped Justin. I'll be releasing another video where I get to help Rav do a repair on his RV. Stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.